It's Daylite.
I know, okay.
Let's see. I like this. City in the background. City girls. Yeah, I like that. And then you can lean on one hip more, like lean on this hip a little bit more. There you go. And then look the opposite way. Yep. You can go through it. Go.
Photoshoot.
Yes, sir, it is. Let me get some close up real quick. A little over your shoulder, yep. And then pull your ponytail. I want to see the ponytail on the back. There you go, inches. How y'all doing? Good. Nah, you good. Y'all good? Y'all look photo shoot ready. And there you go. Now let's do, actually let's walk this way. Let's go somewhere else. I get tired of locations. Took enough in front of these doors. Did you do a little modeling? You over here coaching, doing a little modeling coaching? Oh, do you? What kind of camera do you use? Okay. I don't have any experience with Nikons. You like it?
I love it.
Yeah? I always like to act like Sony's the best because that's what I use. That's cute. Yeah, come back and do that and lift your leg higher than what you just did, but do that same thing. Yeah. And then do like, kind of like squat and hold the bag like this and look at me. Yeah, just like that, I like that. Yeah, look straight, I like the ponytail a lot. Now let's do a stand-up one, kind of like we were doing over there, and kind of hit me with the like rocking on the balls of your feet like that with the bag. There you go. That's pretty. Yeah, look that way. What else can we do with the bag? I want to do something cute, more cute stuff with the bag. Yeah, try that. We'll try a lot. Just put over your shoulder like that. And then kind of look away a little bit. Huh? Yeah, let's keep the bag. And then you can kind of like, you know how they say men sit? Like when they're, yeah, what is that called? Man spread or something? Yeah, let's do some man spreads. Yeah, you look better than any man doing this. I like that. Oh, shoot. This is pretty. Like, throw your legs like this a little bit, do some with the legs like that. There we go. Fire. Fire, jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna get another angle right here. I like shooting through stuff. That's my thing. It's too much stuff. It's dead already, right? They don't care. They'll live. Pretty, good. Good right there. What else can we do? Yeah. The knock knees. No, the knock knees, that was fire. Shout out to all my knock knee people out there. This one's for you. This one is for you. All right, we can be done with this little area. Or should we get some in the barn, Bryce? Let's get a couple in the barn just because. See if we can make it look cool, you know. Shout out to Jesus. Just get a little hay in a manger. Come to like the middle of it a little bit. Try to use it as some framer maybe, I don't know. I'm not loving the way this looks, but I'm not loving it, but let's just start walking. We'll just start walking around. I'm trying to get some cardio. I always wonder, like, people do that step stuff. Is that really, like, if you get a lot of steps in, did you do a lot of work? Like,
yeah, like if you
I got one for my sister. I don't have an Apple Watch, so, but it's.
all your rings.
But it's like, okay, you took a few steps, like.
The goal is 10,000 a day.
Like, okay, you did a lot of walking. Did that really do a lot for your health, your general health? You know what I'm saying? I feel like I could walk all day and be straight. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You want to do some middle of the street stuff? You're a daredevil. Look at you. She likes to be dangerous.
In the street.
A second ago, I was gonna tell you to sit on the curb. We'll do some curb ones too. I was like, I don't know. She might be scared to. Oh, this is fire. Yeah. I like this. Yeah, I like that. Stand, because I kind of want to get you in the middle of these buildings. Just stand right there real quick. Yeah. Fire. We'll just go with whatever goes first. Okay, this is going first. Oh yeah, we can do it right here. And good, let's go. Yeah, those would be good. All right, let's get to stepping. We gotta get our steps up, man. We keep stopping. We only got like 500 steps right now. Sheesh. Yeah, you can actually like lean on it, like do some back to it type stuff. There you go. This is gonna be fire. Hold on. Sometimes when I take photos, I'm like, this is gonna be too good. I don't know. This is okay. Is it okay to do fire like this? Now you can put that opposite arm up, like that. Yeah. You good? Get it all situated. You feel me? Wardrobe malfunction. It's okay. Go ahead. People see a camera and they think it means let me yell.
Right.
Let me yell stuff.
Like, look at me.
This is exactly what they want to do. Yeah, let's do some over, face that way a little bit and over your shoulder. Look at me a little bit. I like the come out from the wall a little bit. It always looks good on the black wall. Whew, I'm hot. I guess these steps work. These steps work. On this side and do it. Please and thank you. I don't mean to be bossy. Sometimes I get bossy. Yeah, no, it looks good. It's usually if it feels stupid, it looks good.
Like this or like walking?
Kind of just like, you're like, oh. Like you about to take off, like Superman, I don't know. Just like real exaggerated, you know what I'm saying?
How do you see the Nike commercial?
Yeah. You in a Nike commercial with a handbag. Tyra Banks.
I'm not lying. I've been telling you should be a model since you were little.
She didn't give you no credit.
So,
She didn't give you no credit.
you told me.
She told. Wow, you wasn't an inspiration.
At all.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so pretty. She was model.
Why she giving you that voice? You said they make you look too baby.
Yeah,
like
they over edit the pictures and it just looks stupid at that part.
Yeah.
Like, can I get the raw picture?
And then
No, the raw pictures don't look good.
they make your face look like a cartoon.
Yes.
I hate the cartoon pictures. All right, enough listening to me talk out there. Let's listen to me talking here. But it's Daylite, of course, your boy. This is my second video. I appreciate you guys for watching. As you can see, it was a lot better, even with this one. You know, I've contemplated not even posting it because the audio was clipped. I just got these new mics and I was just too excited and didn't even look at the settings, and I had it cranked, so some of the audio is clipped, as you can hear. But I'm learning to enjoy the process and not worry about being perfect. That's why I made this channel, is just to document my journey from the beginning of when I first got a camera and when I started taking photography and video serious, probably around December, and it's, you know, only a few months from there. So I just want to document my journey, and I appreciate you guys for coming along. I will be doing a lot more videos. They will look a lot better. I will have more content. I'll be collabing with other creators to just have more variety on the channel. It will still have to do with obviously my visuals and photography and stuff like that, but just try to give you guys a little more than just, you know, photo shoot vlogs. But you know, that will all come, and I'm excited for it. And like I said, I appreciate everyone for coming. And until next time, stay blessed.